Hello, this is Kent from Easy Test Pool Supplies, once again with Tim McDonough from Radiant Pools at one of our latest jobs in Chester, New Hampshire. Tim, welcome.
Hey, good morning, Kent. How you doing?
Tim.
Thank you very much for having me come over.
Anytime. So here we are in one of our new Radiant constructions here. It looks like it's going to be a freeform pool with a sun ledge and a hopper deep end here. Can you just tell me some of these interesting features?
Sure. We have a wonderful sun deck here, which makes a great entry into the pool and a great playground for the kids, a great place for people to sit, and easy access into the pool. Also, it is a sun ledge, so you can set up a tanning chair, sitting in the pool, and just relaxing your swimming pool.
So not only do we have an entry system into the pool, but we have a nice place for the entire family to hang out, get the tan while just getting a little wet, while not having to get into the actual body of the pool here. And I think you've mentioned it before that this is the living room of the pool.
Yes, and it's beautiful. It's a permanent feature in the pool, and it's a very comfortable. It's very comfortable for everybody, whether it be grandparents, kids, and just parents to relax in the pool.
Yep, and something that is unique to the Radiant brand.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So, yeah, all of the sun deck features are constructed of the Radiant, the same features that the walls are made out of. So it's the same exact construction through and through.
Excellent. So strong and insulated.
Absolutely, absolutely. With the features that we have here with that sun ledge, that's really a unique feature for an above or a semi-above ground pool.
Well, thank you, Tim.
Okay, you're welcome. You're welcome, Kent.
Great to have
you.
you.
Thanks
for checking out our new job.
Thank you. Yeah, it looks wonderful. Thank you.
Even better when it's finished.
Yes, can't wait to see it.